Hello friends, you must have heard sometimes buying and selling of share with your friends and relatives, but you don't know that what type of share they are trading. So let's try to understand this point. In this video, we will discuss about types of share and their difference. When the company divides share capital into small units is called share. The company issues it to investor and the entity who owns their share is called shareholder. There are two types of share, equity share and preference share. Just imagine, preference shareholder is like that younger brother. Why? Because its name suggests preference shareholder have owned the right to get dividend before equity shareholder. Now some viewers may thinking what is dividend? So in short, I explain that dividend is part of company profit which is allotted to its shareholder. So this is our first difference. Doesn't matter. Company making profit and loss, the preference shareholder always right to getting dividend. Suppose in any financial year, if company making losses, the dividend to preference shareholder will accumulate for next year. But equity shareholder would get the remaining dividend after preference shareholder payment. In any financial year, if the company making losses, there will be no dividend for equity shareholder. Now we come to the second major difference of voting right. Preference shareholder usually don't have voting rights, meaning they don't participate in the company decision making process. In case of equity shareholder, they will get the right of ownership and voting rights for any decision in the company annual general meeting. Third difference is priority in repayment. In case of liquidation or winding up of company, preference shareholders have a higher priority for repayment over equity shareholders. But in case of liquidation or winding up, equity shareholders have a residual claim on the remaining assets after all other obligations including preference shareholders repayment. If company is growing day by day and you had invested in that company, then you would always want to participate into a shareholder. But this is limitation of preference shareholder. They don't benefit from the company's growth in the same way as equity shareholder, as they only receive fixed dividends. But equity shareholders have the potential to benefit more from the company's growth as they share in the profits through capital appreciation and dividends. And the major last difference is equity shares are traded into secondary market. It means you can sell anytime equity shares into secondary market. So if you hear sometimes buying and selling or ups and downs of stocks by news in stock market, they all are equity shares and the price of equity share doing fluctuate at the market opening time. So we knew the major differences between preference share and equity share. If you have any doubt and query, please comment below. I'll be answer you shortly. If you find this is valuable information, please share this video with your friends and you like and subscribe our channel for more information.